So when you fit the Easy Fit waist, you've got one screw that tightens the top part up from the bottom part. It's a two-part trap. So you put the bottom piece in first, you make sure it's level, you make sure that your pipe work is connected, and you do a wet test on it. What you want to do is make sure you've got it at the right height for when you connect the two pieces up together. So maybe prop something underneath it, or build a little shelf to give it the support that it needs. And also the waste pipe, don't let it just run. Put some pipe hangers on it to support it enough, because a full pipe full of water weighs a lot of weight, and you want to make sure you don't put too much stress on that one screw. So it needs to be in perfectly level. So do what you can. Some support on the bottom, pipe hangers all the way down through your run of pipe work will keep a happy trap.